What makes your toys come alive? Is it magic or something more tangible? What keeps your phone buzzing with notifications and calls, keeping you connected to the world? What gives your laptop its portable power, allowing you to work from anywhere, be it a cozy cafe or a sunny park? The answer is simple: batteries. These small yet powerful components are the unsung heroes of our daily lives. Batteries are like tiny power plants that store energy and release it when needed, ensuring our devices are always ready to go. They power countless devices we use every single day, from our toothbrushes to our cars, making our lives more convenient and efficient. Imagine a world without batteries. Our daily routines would come to a halt and our modern conveniences would vanish. Our gadgets would be tethered to outlets and our lives would be a lot less mobile and convenient. We'd be constantly searching for power sources. Without these little energy wonders, our modern world would look very different. Batteries are the silent enablers of our fast-paced, technology-driven lives. How do batteries work their magic? Let's peek inside. Batteries are fascinating devices that power so many of our everyday gadgets, from smartphones to electric cars. But what exactly goes on inside these little powerhouses? A battery has three main parts: the anode, the cathode, and the electrolyte. These components work together to store and release energy in a controlled manner. Think of the anode and cathode as two ends of a bridge. The anode is the negative end and the cathode is the positive end. They are crucial for the flow of energy. The electrolyte is like the river flowing beneath, carrying tiny particles called ions. These ions are essential for the chemical reactions that occur within the battery. When a battery is connected to a device, a chemical reaction occurs. This reaction causes ions to move, generating electrical energy. Ions flow from the anode to the cathode through the electrolyte, creating an electrical current that powers our devices. This flow of ions is what allows your phone to charge, your car to start, and your flashlight to shine. Batteries are truly remarkable. Just like there are different gadgets with different power needs, there are different types of batteries. Alkaline batteries are common for everyday devices like remote controls and flashlights. Lithium-ion batteries, found in our smartphones and laptops, pack more energy and last longer. From tiny button cells in watches to large batteries in electric cars, each type has its own strengths and uses. Batteries are essential for our modern life, powering everything from our smartphones and laptops to electric vehicles and home energy systems. As we move towards a more sustainable future, the role of batteries is becoming even more critical. They are the backbone of our transition to renewable energy. Electric cars, powered by large batteries, are becoming increasingly popular. These vehicles are not only reducing our dependence on fossil fuels, but also cutting down on greenhouse gas emissions. Renewable energy sources, like solar and wind power, are intermittent by nature. Batteries store energy for when the sun isn't shining or the wind isn't blowing, ensuring a steady supply of power. As technology advances, we are seeing the development of even more powerful, efficient, and long-lasting batteries. These advancements are paving the way for a future where batteries can store more energy, charge faster, and have a longer lifespan. With these innovations, we can look forward to a world powered by clean, green energy, making our planet a better place for future generations.